movie. I've been living in the movie, playing with Google's Bar. I'm Bard, your creative and helpful collaborator. I have limitations and won't always get it right, but your feedback will help me improve. Not sure where to start? You can try. Advantages and disadvantages to consider before buying smartwatches. Give me a table to track the depth chart for a community basketball team. Brainstorm a list of team bonding activities for our summer work retreat. How much do the end screen of a video increase?
I was about to punch this shit. I was about to punch the fuck out of it.
Channel growth.
I was too far away. I know someone whipped my punch. Yeah, I know I whipped my punch. That's why that happened.
End screens can help increase channel growth in a number of ways. They can increase audience retention. End screens are displayed at the end of a video so they can give viewers a chance to see more of your content before they leave. This can help to increase your average watch time, which is a key factor in YouTube's algorithm for recommending videos. Promote other videos. End screens can be used to promote other videos on your channel. It's going to help to keep viewers engaged with your content and encourage them to watch more of your videos. Drive subscriptions. End screens can also be used to promote your channel's subscription button. This can help to grow your subscriber base, which is important for increasing your channel's visibility and reach. Direct viewers to your website or social media pages. End screens can also be used to direct viewers to your website or social media pages. This can help you to build a stronger connection with your audience and promote your brand. According to a study by TubeBuddy, end screens can increase audience retention by up to 10% and average watch time by up to 5%. They can also increase the number of subscribers by up to 3%. So how much can end screens increase channel growth? The exact amount will vary depending on a number of factors such as the quality of your content, the relevance of your end screen, and the engagement of your audience. Valuable tool for growing your YouTube channel. Here are some more tips for creating effective end screens. Use clear and concise text. Use high quality images or videos. Promote relevant videos and content. Make it easy for viewers to click on the links. A/B test different end screens to see what works best for your audience. By following these tips, you can create an end screens that will help you increase your channel growth. Well, I've been living in a movie and I see all files you upload are included. Alright. I didn't know I was gonna make a public link, but okay. Oh, okay.
I am. I even recording this there. I have full hole too.
Let's see here. Let's go with longer.
That's what you need. One top, one top. I still survive. You threw me. I'm still one tap again. I threw up and was like one tap.
Cause I've been living in the movie.
Like, desirable.
Cause I'm grooving. Cause I'm grooving.
Yeah, no, I know. I'm fired up.
And I've been living in the movie. You've been living under a rock. No, that's not what I wanted. Not what I wanted.
That sounds disgusting.
Okay, let's see here.
I just got choked by Cronin, bro. My melee went in the air.
Alright.
See what just happened?
Bard.
Mercy's not going to talk about it, but I knocked him out of the air 3 times today.
Can you wait 5 minutes?
I clip what I did when Mercy did. Oh. It's still in me. It's still in me.
I've got to go pay.
I got him. I'm using that. No, I'm using that. That like hit him for 108.
I can help you with something else if you need to know. I'll be having my, you know what, in my hand.